Okay, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm going to be off again today, let's make sure that we have our homework able to do. So let me go ahead and go through a little bit more tutorial on your problems. So the first thing is we deal with 34. Find the rotation in revolutions per minute given the angular speed. What you really actually have is you actually have two different sets of directions. One piece of the directions is finding the angular speed if you're given RPM or given angular velocity. So here we're going to look for RPM. Down here it gives us linear speed, where to find the radius. So that's what we're going to be going with. So let's deal with 34 and then 38. 34 is easy because if omega equals 2 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, that's going to be in radians per second. Now, the key here is the units. The units have to match. So if we want to go to something RPM, that's in revolutions per minute. Now, to do that, we're going to take 2 pi over 3 radians per second times. Now, I need to get rid of seconds. So that's going to be 60 seconds in 1 minute. So here, gone, gone, that helps. Now, we have radians, we need revolutions. So times 1 revolution equals 2 pi radians. Gone, gone, leaves revolutions and minutes. Now all I have to do is put them together. So pi is gone, 2 is gone, 2 is gone. Looks like I go here, and I have 20. So that's going to be 20 RPM, or 20 revolutions per 1 minute. Okay, so nothing challenging about that. That's going to be 34. Let's take a look at 38. On 38, we're given V equals 144.2, but again, look at the units down here. Feet per minute, feet per minute. We also are given 10.9 revolutions per minute. Now, if I have V, there's only a couple formulas that I can use for V. V equals omega R. Almost don't know what that is. Omega R. Now, the problem is, whereas V can be 144.2 feet per minute equals omega. This is not omega. How do I know? Because omega is theta over t, so it's going to be radians over time, not revolutions over time. So I need to take 10.9 revs per min, and I need to multiply by 2 pi rads over 1 revolution. Gone, gone. And so I have 21.8 pi times radius. And the radius is what I'm looking for. Now, if I keep my units over here, that's going to be in radians per minute. So radians per minute. Now, obviously, what do I need to do to get radius by itself? Divide both sides by 21.8 pi radians per minute. If I come over here and I have 21.8 pi radians per minute, the minutes cancel out and I'm left with just feet. So the answer there is going to be 144.2 divided by 21.8 pi feet. Now you can turn that into a decimal if you wish. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about something. Let's talk about using the pause button. The pause button is going to be located right down there. So when I do this stuff, take a few minutes, go as far as you can, then pause, look back and do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is also nothing but junior high science, okay? It's just getting rid of units. So you need to be able to use feet to inches, inches to miles, miles to feet, whatever it is to convert to the correct number of units. This is not challenging. Don't make it challenging. So that's the first piece of the video. I'll give you another video following this one.